I'm Dr. Frank Kinslow, developer of the Quantum Entrainment Rapid Healing Process. Quantum Entrainment, or QE, is sweeping the world today because it is an immediately effective, easily learned healing technique that's good for not only the body, but the mind. And it even works on pets. So I hope you'll spend the next few minutes with us and learn exactly how quantum entrainment can improve your life today. Quantum entrainment is founded on our ability to become aware of pure awareness. Now, you'll have to take my word for it. At this point, it's a very simple process. I've taught thousands of people this process. Nobody has failed. It's easy, it's effective, it's simple, and it can be learned by anyone who's aware. That means you. I'm going to demonstrate right now to you the power of awareness on your body. Now, take your two hands, and if you look at the bottom, at your wrist, you'll see a crease on each wrist. What I'd like you to do is to take those creases, and line them up exactly, rolling your hand in and bringing your fingers up together, just like this. Okay, go ahead and do that. Line up the two creases, roll your hands in, bring them up together. Now, as I'm looking at my hands there, my left hand, if I'm looking at the middle finger, okay, now don't move your hands once you have them there. Keep them quite still, and look at your two middle fingers. On mine, you can see that the left one is longer than the right one, okay? So I have a short right finger. Look to see if one of your fingers are shorter. If they are, you're going to use, for this experiment, the short finger. If your fingers are even, you get to pick which finger you want to use, the right finger or the left finger. Okay? So note how different they are, how much shorter one finger is from the other, or how perfectly even they are. Now, take your hands and put them in your lap or on the table in front of you. And I want you to look at the finger you've chosen, either the short finger or the even finger that you have chosen. Look at it, and I want you to think to yourself one time, this finger will grow longer. Now, we're going to take 1 minute, and all you're going to do is to look at that finger, to pay attention to it, to in fact be very acutely aware of that finger. So look at that finger. You've already thought that it's going to grow longer, and I'm going to time you. Okay? Here we go. Just look at the finger now, and we're going to take 30 seconds to do that. Looking at your finger, not doing anything else, don't move it, just be aware of that finger. Anything you feel in that finger. Okay, we've done about 20 seconds so far. You don't have to tell yourself it's going to grow longer again. You don't have to convince anything. I just want you to be aware of the finger. That's it. This is an awareness experiment. So that's what we're going to do. Good. We're coming along now on 40 seconds. Completely aware. What do you feel in that finger? That's it. Nothing exciting. Simply being aware of the finger. And we're coming up on 1 minute. Good. Now, do exactly as you did before. Line up exactly the two creases at the bottom of your hand and bring them together. And what do you have? Surprising, isn't it? Amazing. Look at mine. It went from quite a bit shorter to quite a bit longer. That's it. How did you feel when you first realized that finger changed like that? It's kind of awe-inspiring. It's almost magical, and yet it's not. It's the most common thing that we can have as human beings, and that is that we can be acutely aware of something. Instead of letting our minds wander and just sort of bounce around throughout the day, that's a kind of common consciousness that 99% of the human race falls prey to. This is a more focused awareness. Now, this is not quantum entrainment, but this is an inkling, just the beginning of the kind of changes that you can make in yourself. Quantum entrainment will make major changes in terms of your health and your social well-being, your financial well-being. It's very, very simple. Learning the quantum entrainment technique, anyone can do it. You can work it on animals. It doesn't require belief, just like this. Simple awareness is what does it. If you'd like to know more about the quantum entrainment process, then please feel free to contact us.
For more information about quantum entrainment, call us toll-free at 877-811-5287 or visit our website at quantumentrainment.com. Again, 877-811-5287.